Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome. Today we're going to update my sinking fund for this month. Super excited how the sinking fund is going. So if you want to know how I'm doing about my sinking fund, keep watching. Hello, hi. For my new subscribers, thank you so much. For my OG, I really appreciate all of you and love you so much. Today is another day for us to update my sinking fund for the month. And the way my sinking fund is going, I'm loving it. It's just sinking in and I'm loving it. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to update. I don't think I'll go to the bank this time. When I check my sinking fund high yield savings account, I have a special bank account for that at Synchrony Bank. It was $2,162.85. For this month, I earn an interest of $7.10 on this amount. So far, this is what is in the sinking fund. The thing is that I've been adding more money to it from other, like my traveling binder. I went and added money to this account. So that's why the amount is higher. But I'm going to update you as we go because I'm trying to add my travel and my sinking fund together. I'm going to do all the adjustment. But today, let's go ahead and do the update. But before I do, let me tell you the motivational quote for today. Do what makes you happy. I love these quotes. I love every quote. But some of them, it kind of like talk to me. I used to be the type that I used to please people a lot. I think I'm still kind of that type, but as I'm growing up, it's kind of going down because I don't want to please anybody anymore. I want to do stuff that will makes me happy. If let's say I'm going to do something, I don't need anybody's approval. The one I need approval from is God and my husband. And also maybe I will suggest it to a few people. If they don't like it or they make comment about it, that is like, why do you want to do that? Are you crazy? That kind of comment. Then I will just walk away peacefully. And I won't say nothing to that person again about the thing. Not that I will stop talking to that person. No. So of late, I've been trying to do stuff that will makes me happy. Because at times, that's all that you need in life to let your stress level goes down so that you won't get stressed. Because always if you want to please people, your stress level will go up. Which means I don't need any stress in my life anymore. So I will do stuff that will make me happy. So I want to tell you, do what makes you happy. If paying off my student loan will make me happy, why do I have to listen to a friend of mine who is not paying his student loan telling me that you are wasting your money? No. If that will make me happy being debt free from my student loan, girl, I will do that. If not paying your student loan makes you happy, stick to it. So that's the level I am now. I don't know about you, but do what makes you happy. It doesn't make you stress. You don't please anybody. So that's the motivational message and my thought about it. I might offend somebody, but it's okay. We are all here to share our idea, our thought, our suggestion. So that's enough. If you allow me, I will preach today. I don't want to preach. So let me go ahead and start the update. Normally when I'm doing the update, it takes a while. So let me start. I hope you guys can see. I want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and do the update. I'll move the calculator too as well. Then let's see. I hope everybody is doing very well. I'm super excited. We are halfway of the year. And I've been starting thinking about what I did from January up to this time. Yeah, it's not fun at all. It's not. I haven't really achieved nothing, I should say. But maybe I've done something small. Let me stop complaining and give thanks to God for how far I have come. So for my Valentine, I do have $15. So it means we added 5. So now I have 15 here. The ending balance for this time, and I'm not taking none to the bank. For the birthday, I'm done with this. I have to clean it up and start all over. So for birthday, we do have $50 in the bank. Is this 50? What am I missing? I'm missing $10. Let's see. 30. Let me see. Okay, so we do have 40 here. We do have 50 in the bank. So it means that the ending balance for this month is 90. Okay, that's okay. Okay, for back to school, we do have everything in the bank. So this is the extra I did for this month, which is 30, 35, 40, 42. So this one we added 40. This one we are adding 30, 35, 40, 42. So our ending balance is 142. I love this update so that it will make me know when I'm going to spend. For the Synchrony Bank, I have my high yield savings account with them. It's just for my sinking fund. When I sign up, they gave me a debit card that I can use. That's one thing I love. So in case I want to use it, I just go swipe the card and I'll deduct the money from my sinking fund update. So that's really, really cool, which I'm loving. I'm earning interest. That's powerful. For some people thinks that we people that we do stuff, we don't have a bank account. I have about 3 high yield savings account. So for RS license, I do have $100 in the bank. So we're supposed to have 40 here. Any extra is what I put. Oh, I have 40 because this month I know I renewed one of my license this month. I didn't take the money out because I did have extra money, which I'm thinking of taking it out. Let me think. Because I paid about 261. I think I should take it out and start all over again. My next license renewal will be about 2 years. So I think I'm going to take it out. So I'm taking it out. So what I'm going to do, I do have $100 in the bank. So I would surely take the $100 in one of these envelopes. So we end up with still 140. We didn't add anything. So 140. I'll do minus 140 because I'm taking it out. So now I don't have anything in here. I'm going to start all over in this month of July. So minus 140. So I do have 0. Okay. And I'm going to take the $100 from one of the account here because I renew my license. It was quite expensive when you renew your license. I have about 4 licenses that I renew. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, for car registration, I do have 60 and we do have 48 and now I have 60. So it means I added $12. So plus 12, we still have 60. None of it in the bank. And I'm not going to the bank this time. For car registration, I have 130 in the bank. So it means I added $16. So plus 16. So we have one plus 16. So 146. Okay. The next one is house maintenance. House maintenance, I have 102. I do have 90 in the bank. So I do have 22 here. So I didn't add any this time. Which, yeah, that's right. So we still have the 102. We didn't add any. So 102. Okay, for other occasions, I do have 60 in the bank. We have 82. So let me see. 70. It means I took some out. So minus, I think I did buy something for the kids and I took money out from here just a little bit. So this will be 60, 70, 75, 74. So 82 minus 74, I don't know math. I did minus 8. So now I have 74. Okay, good. I think I was buying something for them, it wasn't enough. So I took the money from here. My miscellaneous is one of those ones I love. I did add $10 this month, so 10. So now I have 81. My self-care. So self-care, I do have 90 in the bank. It means I had a 20. So 20. So I have 110. My HMO and trash, I do have 110 in the bank. So it means I added 30. So that would be 140. Then for my blessings, which I'm loving, I do have 260 in the bank. It means that I have let's see, $9. So let me make it 10. So I added, let me see how much I added. 20, 25, 30, 35, 35, 36, 37. So I did add 37. So I have, they're making noise because they are mowing our lawn. That's the wrong time for me to do a video, but I'm still going to finish it quick. So I have 260, so 269 plus 37. So I have 306. But I'm almost done. And I have to go ahead and take $100 from this. Not this one, but no, I think I'll leave it and I'll get the $100. Okay, let me go ahead and check. So that's that one, and this is the binder. Oh my god, it's just right here. So the noise is, so let me do the math to see. I'll do the update for this one later. So that's 348 and 354. So let me do the math. So now I know that I don't have to do videos on Thursdays because that's when they mow our lawn. because today I was off. That's why I was trying to do a video. So I have 1968. How much did I add? 5 plus 40, 42, 12, 16, 10, 50, 37. Okay, I added 212, but remember I took 140 out, so that's why the amount is kind of low here, but that's how much we have. So total starting balance was 1904. So 1904 minus 1968. So 64. I did it backwards. So total save will be $64. But remember, I'm taking away 140 from the money. So that's why, and we have $2,162.85 in the bank. And look at how much interest we earned $7.10. Super excited about that. Next time I'll go ahead and update this too, not today. So let me go ahead and update my tracker for the month. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm so sorry for the noise. I didn't mean to. So this month we end up with 1968. So we just added just a few dollars. I didn't do the math well, so May we end up with 104. So we had plus 64. So I made a mistake from last week, I think, because the money was 1904 starting with May. So now I have plus 64. So this is how it's going. Super excited. Remember, I spent some, so that's why it didn't go up a lot. I'm super excited for this month sinking fund tracker. And I'm so sorry for the noise as well. Thanks for everybody for watching me. Super excited. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow. Go and be grateful, but remember, do what makes you happy. Bye bye.